Hello and welcome back. We are learning data visualization using MongoDB chart and its implementation in Angular projects. This is Faisal and we are on the fourth video of this series. In the last video, we saw some sample MongoDB charts, how to make them. In this video, we will see how to initiate the Angular project and push it in the GitHub. Before we dig in, please like this video so that YouTube algorithm can find us better. And also we are uploading new videos every week. This series of videos we are uploading them in every week. So please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. To make an Angular project, we installed WebStorm and some packages in the last video. So I have opened the WebStorm. Then first thing is that we will connect the GitHub with this project so that we can uh, push the code to that repository. For that, I have made a GitHub repo for this project, that is Mongo Chart, using Angular, and I will clone this repo to my account. So I am now cloning this one. So if you are thinking that how I can install GitHub, I will give you the link. If you are not familiar with GitHub, it is a place where you can store or push your code or update your code. The code changes handler is this GitHub. After that, I will open the IDE, then click on the dotted button, and then I will create a new project. So I need a project with version control, that's why I am selecting that project with version control. Then he wants that you can select any version control tools. I am selecting GitHub. Then I will paste the URL of my GitHub. Then click the clone. As I am configured a SSH key, so it is want me to press the password, or if you don't have the SSH key configured, you can use HTTPS protocol. And if you want to make this SSH configured to your PC, I will share a link in this video. I click on the trust project, and I want to open this in this window. Okay, so the project that was in the GitHub is in my PC now. Then next thing is that I want to make a Angular project. So new project, I want to create an Angular project. So Angular project need a Angular CLI. I have already installed that. You can see this on the second video, and also install the node package. You can also see from there, and I am adding a name. I will put the name that is given on the GitHub repo. N then it is start so package installation is, if I click on this will run the Angular CLI. So alright, the project is run on the port 4200. If I click on this, the demo Angular is run on the port 4200. Now I will change some UI that will be used for the Mongo chart showing here. So I will open the HTML, that is rendering the thing on here. I will delete all of these as I don't need this here. I will just show the Angular Mongo chart from here. So I will select the div, then select a class that will be Mongo. You can set anything that you want. Then h2 tag Mongo chart dashboard header. Then we will be make a div that will be id called dashboard. Inside this dashboard, the Mongo chart will be situated. Then we will add some CSS on it. So the Mongo will be, Mongo's height will be 100 VH. VH mean view height. So the Mongo height will be the full page. Then width will be also 100 view width. Then I want to make some text align center. Okay, so for this changes okay for now. This is the app module from where the components will be called, and this is the component that we are editing for the showing the Mongo chart. So this change will be done for this video. Now we will see other configuration like git ignore. The things that we do not know need to push in our GitHub, that is already been removed by git ignore. So now my changes is done. We can push our code to GitHub. So I have opened the terminal, and to push something in Git, first thing is that you need to add the files you want to push in the Git using git add. I want to add all the changes I have made, so I will press dot. Okay, so it has copied all the changes and given me a warning, so this is not a big thing. Then I will make a commit -m, that is a commit message, that is Mongo chart Angular project. Then click on enter. So there is a error that tells me that your email and name is not set up. It is because that I have opened the Git repo from a remote, but the remote has no user email or name setup. So I need to edit the git config thing. Last thing is that I want to push my code in the GitHub. To do that, I will use git push origin master. Okay, so it is done. My code is in now GitHub. So you can check this for now. If I go to my GitHub repo and refresh this, you can see that my changes are in GitHub repo. So this is for today. Please subscribe to get the latest video and put a heart emoji in the comment if you really love this video. Thank you for being with us, and we are uploading a video every week. So if you want to learn MongoDB more, please be with us. See you in the next one. Take care.